Hello, everyone. November 12th, 2021, 8:30. This is a quick update. I actually went to a new doctor because I keep outliving all of my other doctors. Well, he gave me a hearing test, and I did okay. If it's nice, quiet conversation with candles and wine and chicken Alfredo and broccoli. But there's always that. This is the first hearing test I've had since they tried to draft me to Vietnam. And they wouldn't take me because somewhere as a child, children don't much matter, do they? Useless eaters. Until they start making them pay for themselves. But anyway, I always wear long hair. The hippie that I'm not. And I just thought I'd clean up because Jackson County, Missouri today, the legislature by 5-4. You don't have to wear masks as of right now. Well, is that good or bad? Well, one person swung the vote. So one person says, you don't have to wear masks anymore. So one person gave me a hearing test. And I do not do well in large crowds with loud music. Not that I ever did, but I was young once. When I would go to a group where there was a lot of loud music in the background and I was talking to somebody, as I told them, I pretty much had to guess what they were saying, read their mind, or delve into the deeper inner, whatever, starlight, twilight. So, what does this mean? Well, I got this for $20. It's a Wi-Fi speaker. Fits in every room in the house. Still works on this computer. Not on the other one. Because it's an Apple. These are all hybrids. So this thing right here saved my life. I didn't have to go to Vietnam and enjoy the beautiful beaches and the wonderful scenery. Except for people shooting at you. Putting little bamboo sticks that had little poop on them. Oh, went right through my rotten leather boot that rotted in this jungle. So anyway, this is just a quick update. As a musician and a songwriter, and at my age, they didn't even recommend hearing aids. When I told them I'd lived this way all my life, and somehow I survived it, and I am now a man of leisure. I got a friend on D Live that he's probably I don't know, 15 years younger than me. And he cannot survive on $3,000 a month. Okay, so he's in Dallas or Houston or somewhere in those oil-rich, shale-depleted states. I live on $800 a month. That's $10,000 a year. No, I don't have the nicest car or the coolest house or a bunch of money in the stock market that I don't know what will happen if I sell it the wrong time. I don't have gold and silver because my dad said it'd be cast out in the streets someday, and so we all thought it'd become radioactive, and don't want that stuff. And so this is a short video this time for sure, I'm promising you. But you know, what in the world is going on in Belarus? What is going on in the Ukraine? What is going on in China? And what is going on in Taiwan? What is Iran not like Israel? And the questions go on and on and on. I have no answers. And I will be here in whatever state or condition my body is in until my Lord decides to, how should I say this? Should I talk about the mechanism of death when your heart stops beating? Body turns blue. Flies come looking for you. Better dig a hole and bury you deep. We might catch something you have. All right. Silly little video on a Friday night.